Assalamu alaikum, I am Dr. Abira Jamshed and this is a step-by-step tutorial for application in Aga Khan University for internship or house job. To start off by writing these keywords in the search bar, selecting the Aga Khan University's internship program page and clicking on apply now. For account creation, you have to click on new user, verify via your email and then log in with all the credentials. So this is the first part of your application. You will start off by entering all your personal details here. To create a new application, you have to pick your country of program, which is Pakistan. Then select the program you're applying for, which is Internship Postgraduate Medical Education, and click on Create Application. An active application would have your name and your tracking ID on the right side of the page. This is the checklist. We're done with the personal details, moving towards declaration. In declaration, you just have to read and accept and click on next. This is just a checklist page where they will tell you the documents required from you, including a passport size photo, CNIC, and an application fees. Accept and next. Next, you'll enter your educational and professional qualifications, which will look something like this when it's done, with the first column comprising of year 1 to year 5. And subsequent columns will look like this. Based on whatever system of marking you have to select whether you have GPAs or percentages and then click on proceed. So once you're done with your degree, you get your PMDC number that you can put here. If you are a final year medical student, you can just select applied for. Next, you need to write 1,000 words comprising of these points as your statement of purpose. So referees are basically the people AKU can reach out to in case they want to dig into your professional backgrounds. This can be your professors, head of departments, or even your principal. Here, you must read the declaration carefully and mark the documents that are available in process or not applicable. Next step is uploading the documents. You will click and pick your national ID, and the document list requires of you to either enter your CNIC and ICOP. For example, I had CNIC. I wrote the document name as CNIC front and back and uploaded the respective documents. As for the document for application fees, it can only be uploaded after you have made the payment. Next, the AKU center details have to be entered. The test is carried out in Islamabad, Hyderabad, and Karachi. The AKU grads are exempted from giving this test. You also have to upload your professional photo here. For payment, in case you're choosing online payment, the following page will be displayed to you where you have to tick all the checkboxes and enter all the details that are required of you. For your online application tracking ID, copy your ID from here. Fill the rest of the details. For apply payment towards, I selected Medical College Pakistan and wrote Internship PGME program here. After all details have been filled, you proceed towards the payment. Once your payment is processed, you will receive an email with the following tracking number that you will take account of, copy and insert it right here. Next, you will take a screenshot of the same email and upload it here. Recheck all your details for once, save and submit when you're ready.